So ngayon natin namang gawin ang session 5 na kung saan pagbabasahin ko muna at gawin namin yung mga extension na gagawin mula 1, 2, 3. Yeah. The Tale of the Three Brothers. There were once three brothers who were traveling along a lonely, winding road at twilight. In time, the brothers reached a river, too deep to wade through, and too dangerous to swim across. However, these brothers were learned in the magical arts, and so they simply waved their wands and made a bridge appear across the treacherous water. They were halfway across it when they found their path blocked by a hooded figure, and it was Death. He was angry that he had been cheated out of three new victims, for travelers usually drown in the river. But Death was cunning. He pretended to congratulate the three brothers upon their magic and said that each had earned a prize for being clever enough to evade him. So, the oldest brother, who was a combative man, asked for a wand more powerful than any in existence. A wand that must always win battles for its owner. A wand worthy of a wizard who had conquered death. So, Death had crossed to an elder tree on the banks of the river, fashioned a wand from a branch that had hung there, and gave it to the oldest brother. Then the second brother, who was an arrogant man, decided that he wanted to humiliate Death still further, and asked for the powerful to recall others from death. So Death picked up a stone from the river bank and gave it to the second brother, and told him that the stone would have the power to bring back the dead. Finally, Death turned to the third brother. A humble man, he asked for something that would enable him to go forth from the place without being followed by Death. And so it was that Death reluctantly handed over his own cloak of invisibility. In due course, the brothers separated, each for his own destination. The first brother traveled for a week or more, and reaching a distant village, sought out a fellow wizard with whom he had a quarrel. Naturally, with the elder one as his weapon, he could not fail to win the duel that followed. Leaving his enemy dead upon the floor, the oldest brother proceeded to an inn, where he boasted of the powerful wand which he had snatched from Death himself, and of how it made him invincible. That very night another wizard crept upon the oldest brother, as he lay wine sodden upon his bed. Then Death took the wand, and for good measure slit the oldest brother's throat, and so Death took the first brother for his own. Meanwhile, the second brother journeyed to his own home, where he lived alone. Here he took out the stone which had the power to recall the dead, and turned it thrice in his hand. To his amazement and delight, the figure of the girl he had once hoped to marry before her untimely death appeared at once before him. Yet she was sad and cold, separated from his as though by a veil. Though she had returned to the mortal world, she did not truly belong there, and suffered. Finally, the second brother, driven mad by hopeless longing, killed himself so as to truly join her. And so Death took the second brother for his own. But though Death searched for the third brother for many years, he had never able to find him. It was only when he had attained a great age, that the youngest brother finally took off the cloak of invisibility and gave it to his son. And then he greeted Death as an old friend, went with him gladly, and as equals they departed this life. Ngayon ay dako naman kami sa Q&A na kung saan ay sasagutin niya ang mga ilang katanungan para sa ganun kung naintindihan niya ba ang kanyang mga binasa. So number 1, why did the three brothers need to use magic when they reached the river? Number 2, who appeared on the bridge after the brothers made it across halfway? Number 3, why was Dad angry with the brothers? For what gift did Dad give to the oldest brother, and what was special about it? Number 5, what did the second brother ask for, and what power did his gift have? Six, what did the third brother ask for, and why did Dad give it to him unwillingly? Next page. 7, what happened to the first brother after he used the elder wand? 8, why was the second brother unhappy with the woman he brought back to life? 9, how did the third brother manage to avoid death for many years?
Ano po yan? Di ba? Ha?
Tan 10, how did the story end, and what lesson do you think it teaches about life and death? For the true or false, so number 1, the brothers were traveling on a quiet road at twilight or sunset. Number 2, the river was deep and dangerous to cross.
Madi na bang sa tikoy iray?
They used magic to make a bridge. Number 3. Number 4, Death was angry, not happy, that they escaped him. Number 5, Death pretended to reward them with gifts. 6, the oldest brother wanted a very powerful wand. 7, the elder wand was made from a branch of an elder tree. The second brother wanted to bring people back to life. Number 9, Death gave him a stone with the power. 10. The third brother did not ask for gold or treasure. 11. He wanted something to help him hide from death. 12. Death gave him his cloak of invisibility. 12. Death gave and 13. The first brother fought another wizard and won. 14. He was later killed while he slept and his wand was stolen. 15. The second brother was sad because the woman did not truly return to life. 16. He felt sorrow and took his own life. 17. Death could not find the third brother for many years. 18. The third brother lived a long, happy life. 19. He gave the cloak of his son before dying. And the last, number 20, he greeted death as an old friend when his time came.